demonstrated all the way through. So I congratulate all the organizers of IG. I think it's a wonderful initiative. I myself, in the capacity of President of CMA for last 2 years, have been deliberating on this topic, and I had a very brief interaction with Rajiv when we met on the sidelines of the CES last year. Why can't we have something of that sort developed in India, let's say over the next 5 or 6 years? So I think he touched upon this topic today, and I really appreciate the way Rajiv is leading this way in the country, not only showcasing technology to the citizens, but I think this is a great step towards the direction of creating something like a CES or a IFA for the country. So we at Panasonic are extremely committed for the country. We are continue to be an energy deficient country. And second is security and surveillance. So those are the two focus areas as far as our organization is concerned. In the capacity of the President of CMA, we understand it is our duty to align ourselves with the national ambition of making in India. However, I personally feel that demand continues to be a huge challenge. And therefore now we are aligning ourselves as association to the government machinery to look at creating export opportunities, especially towards the West. And I personally feel that Africa could throw opportunities for next many years, I would say for a couple of decades from now. So keeping it short, we as industry will continue to collaborate, participate in such events, and I personally would ensure that CMA also for the next year participates on this platform, and together let us make an effort to make this event really bring it on a global scale. So that's what we should do, and I'll do my best to do that. And thank you for having me here.